Hello everyone, welcome to the Blessed Impact channel. It's your friend Blessing. I'm here today with something you would really love. So I'll be diving into the world of strategic marketing communications, and as my name implies, I'll be blessing you with tips and insights for established and upcoming professionals who are eager to make a meaningful impact in the field. So whether you're a seasoned marketer or you're just starting out, we've got you covered. Just hit on the subscribe button, like the video, and relax while I dish out this meal. Let's kick things off with the first key insight: understanding your audience. One of the most critical aspects of strategic marketing communications is knowing who you're speaking to. By understanding your audience's needs, preferences, and pain points, you can tailor your messaging and communication strategies to resonate deeply with them. Next up, let's talk about the power of storytelling. Crafting a compelling narrative around your brand or product can capture the heart and the minds of your target market. By weaving a story that strikes a chord with your target market, you can create a lasting impression and an emotional connection that can set you aside or apart from the crowded marketplace. Now, when it comes to marketing strategies, you have to stay agile and learn to adapt. The landscape of marketing communications is constantly evolving, and it is very important you embrace change and be willing to pivot when necessary. Taking up this flexible nature allows you to stay ahead of the curve and make the most impact with your campaign. Finally, yet importantly, leveraging data and analytics is essential for effective marketing communication. By harnessing the power of data, you can make informed decisions, measure your performance, and optimize your strategies for maximum impact. And there you have it, a glimpse into the world of strategic marketing communication. Whether you are an established professional or an upcoming marketer, these tips and insights can help you make a meaningful impact in the field. This is just the beginning of a series. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for more in-depth guidance and resources on navigating the dynamic landscape of marketing communications. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.